They say everybody know, they know I be on, yeah, in the studio.
Okay, so happy Thanksgiving to all of my beautiful angel seekers in Christ. I'm actually on my way to my grandmother's house so that we can have a lovely family dinner. So I'm gonna take y'all with me so y'all can see my mac and cheese that I'm gonna be fixing. I'm gonna try to do this little crab macaroni and cheese. You feel me? It's the first time, but it's supposed to be the easiest way. Why? Because I said so. That's right. Okay, well, I gotta go because I'm actually running kind of late. So I'll meet y'all over there and then we can figure all this stuff out later. All right. Mwah.
In the mouth just to celebrate. Rain down the tail, rain down.
Tell me. You know we got this.
Antidote, yeah. Let's go ahead and finish this. Time up. Blindfold him. And put him on his knees. Now.
Yeah, all up on his knees, he can't breathe. Nope. Venom is the new disease. Yeah, so all up on his knees, he can't breathe. Venom is the new disease. So yeah, all up on his knees, he can't breathe. Nope.
All right, so I'm here at the house. Got my big old pot and everything, bag and stuff. About to go say happy Thanksgiving to the family. And it is also my baby's birthday, by the way. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone! Yes! I love you! Oh, this is a new member of the family. Look at little Chloe. Look at little Chloe. She's so happy. Look at them. She's so happy. Hey, honey. Hey, honey. Hey, honey, hey. Got to go see my grandma, you know what I'm saying? And my mama, you know what I'm saying? Happy Thanksgiving! Hey, baby. Thank you. Yes, all the love. Okay, I'm trying to make this as quick as possible. This is premium DUNGENESS crab legs. Look at that. Look at that. And it's already cooked, fully cooked. That's my best friend, okay? Fully cooked. And then we're going to use Cracker Barrel macaroni and cheese dinner, sharp white cheddar, okay? And I actually don't know where I put that block of cheese at, but I actually got some more block of cheese. It's, I think, Monterey Jack cheese. But I was trying to go with a different theme since, you know, usually people's mac and cheese is yellow. Today, we going with the whole white, okay? Crab legs. So let's get to it. First, I'm gonna steam these in a pot for about approximately 6 minutes, which is what they say on this thing. So I'll probably do 8 minutes just to make sure that they fully cooked. Then I'm gonna chop them up and then I'm gonna throw them in the macaroni and cheese. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these on the boiler and I'm gonna show you how we do this, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so this is what you want your water to look like. I'm sorry I forgot my stuff at the house where I can hold the camera and all that, so y'all just have to bear with me, okay? Yeah, so this is what the water look like. Why is it gray, you ask? Because I season my water whenever I'm boiling my shells. So I have regular, idolized salt, Cajun gold, which is basically Cajun seasoning, and black pepper. And this is that cheese I was telling y'all about, Monterey. All white. Simply pour your shells in. I got 2 boxes. And stir. Okay, yeah, that's a good angle. The reason why I have my water hot is because I want it to go ahead and cook. And for me, it just does faster if it's already warm. And then it'll be nice and soft and get all that seasoning that I poured inside the water into my shells. Yes, so when I drain it, the season is still within the shell of the noodle. Here, guys, I'm just putting in the cheese
nice
that
gunky
is
cheese
from
now.
the Cracker Barrel
And
box.
don't forget to pour it in that yummy delicious.
And I had to cut out the conversations that we were having because they were kind of personal. So, yeah, just wanted to go ahead and
Now, I wouldn't advise putting too much cheese in there off top because it's gonna gunk together. Because shredded cheese make your food cling together real tight. But right now I'm just adding it for a little extra flavor because I love cheese, y'all. Like I mentioned this so many times before. Make sure you get it all incorporated all the way at the bottom of the pot. Because you want every noodle. Every noodle. Every noodle. Crack it real good, pop it open like this, and the meat come out smooth just like that. Well, I was gonna layer it, but I see it ain't that much to layer it with. Because it's a nice size pan here. I'm gonna spread it out like so. Oh, and by the way, I sprayed the pan with butter, but I'll show that to y'all later because I can't find the thing right now. And we're gonna get my favorite ingredient, cheese. Yes, cheese. And we're just gonna top it over here like so. And place it in the oven just to get warm. Probably about, I'll say about a good 10 minutes. You'll be good to go. Okay, so I know you see that beautiful decadent sweet ham down there. But we are messing with our mac and cheese. Look at that. Oh, yummy deliciousness. Like I said, it was only in there for probably like 8 minutes, 10 minutes most. Okay guys, so this is the final moments that we've been waiting for. Yes indeed, it is time to chow down. This is what my plate is looking like. Got a little bit of everything. I know it's a little mixed in, but I got some cheese here in my hand for my macaroni and cheese. Just gonna sprinkle that on there a little bit. And I'm set to try some. This is my first attempt ever, so we're gonna see. Huh?
Don't spill like me.
Yeah, Mama got spoon.
You gotta spill like me.
Yep.
I'm gonna eat like this.
Mm-hmm. Yep. At some point, y'all.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Mm-hmm. Now I'm about to eat the rest of my food. I say the crab kind of tastes like crawfish. Ain't really too much of a difference there. Next time I think I'm gonna try to shoot for doing cube style cut instead of it just being shredded. But it's good though. I love it. Happy Thanksgiving, y'all. Mwah!
Happy Thanksgiving, guys.
The word for the day, I say be thankful because it's Thanksgiving. Gotta be thankful for everything. Your health, your strength, your home, clothing, shelter, food, and loving family to care about you, to spend your time with. That's the best word for the day yet, I believe. Be blessed, y'all.
I gotta talk to him, cause I got a million questions. And I know he can answer it all with one answer. That's the first thing I do when I walk in heaven. Praise to you.
The first thing you do.